So many barbers on YouTube have come online and show what's in their student barber kit, but I've yet to see anyone show what's in their barber instructor kit. So, as you can see here, I have this nice little bag with a bunch of goodies inside, but nah, we can't look right now. There's people watching. It's gonna be kind of awkward. Nah, we can't do this here. Okay, that's much more comfortable, much more intimate, and also much more familiar. So, I know you guys are wondering what was in that bag. What equipment, what tools did I get? Let's get into that. I'm gonna work out my magical magician powers. I'm gonna see if I have some magic in me. No, that didn't work. Hold on. Didn't work again. Okay, let me. Bam! Whoa, that was cool, man. I know I always wanted to be a magician as a kid. So as you can see, wow, over all of this stuff, tons of good stuff here. As you can see here, basic double magnetic purple guards from Andis 0 through 4. We all know what that's about. Andis Pro Dry hair dryer. Really basic hair dryer. I'm not gonna unbox this so you guys can see this. And this isn't really a review video, it's more showing you what's in my kit, but very basic. You can look this up on Amazon. Not that expensive, so I'm not gonna unbox this so you guys can see this much more in depth. I have a much more interesting hair dryer in my barber kit. What is in this bag? Let's see. I'm gonna come back to these things, but I'm gonna show you guys what's in the bag. I'm sure you guys were curious. I'm also curious. And by the way, this is you guys can see that, a satchel and page tote. I can wear this either like a man bag or like a backpack. It has straps for either. Really cool, leather smells great. Sound like Tony the Tiger. And it's cool care. Neck duster, the one that you can load the talc or baby powder, whatever you choose. Real basic. Ooh, I'm not gonna show you this right now. Brush, very basic brush. Andis oil, clipper oil. Got to keep your clippers oiled and disinfected. All right, nick safe in case I cut clients. And that's barbers, even professional barbers. You still nick people every once in a while. It does happen, and it's very helpful to have. All right, what's in the bag? Let's see what's in this bag. All right, clipper combs. Basic Andis clipper combs, white, black, and pink, as you can see there. I add more to the collection. I have about 5 of those things. All-purpose comb. Don't know who makes that. Made in China, so. Another silk comb, real basic. Taper comb, as you can see here. Nothing too spectacular. Clip for the cape, and another Andis comb, as you can see there. Another big comb. It's pretty dope. Now let's get into the nitty gritty. What you guys have all been waiting for. This is actually kind of what I'm excited to show you guys. So. Look how dope that is. Look at this case that it comes in. This is dope. I hear this razor, it's like $200. Something like that. That's what they told me at the school. I was really excited when I heard about this. So this is a feather artist club. So I'm not sure how much this actually costs. I'm sure you guys can look it up online. Nice handle. See if you guys get a nice little close-up of this. A lot of weight here. This metal is very heavy. The handle is quite light. I must say it's like a plastic. I also kind of wish they constructed this a little bit better. I wish it wasn't a plastic. I wish it was a metal. A metal would have been nice where it was just the entire construction was solid. I would have liked that, but nonetheless, this is a very nice handle because with the weight of this, that means that you don't have to apply much pressure when you're actually doing your strokes. And of course, you know, we got the feather blades, the Feather Pro Guard with 15 blades, very easy to insert. You see the hole here? I'm not sure if you guys can see this hole. It goes right here. It goes right in here. Put that in the hole and you slide that forward and it loads the blade. But you actually have to squeeze this to open it. I'm not sure if you guys can see that, but it actually squeezes and it just opens ever so slightly and you slide the blade in that way. And it's very dope. This thing is so nice, so nice. Next, Itaro shears. Let's see here. These are the 7-inch shears. Comes in a nice little leather case, as you can see here. Get little instructions. Shear oil, little, looks like a cleaning rag, and you also get the key to the shears. Let's see the shears themselves. All right. So here we are, 7 inches right there. Purple little grommets there on the inside, kind of cool. Purple's one of my favorite colors, I can dig it. So as you can see here, very, very nice. Very, very nice. Smooth, I haven't used these yet. Must say, have not used these yet. But I will be using these very, very soon, putting these into action. I actually have some Sandia 7-inch shears, and I have some of their thin-inch shears and this pair of their swivel shears. So this will be very nice to see how these actually stack up against those. Very nice, I like these. They're light, they're not as heavy as I thought they would be. And I'm assuming these are, oh, okay, it's saying it's made in China. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Gotta do some more research on. There we go. Itaro. See here, same leather case. And it looks like more of the same. Oil, tool, cleaning rag, instructions, care guide, what have you. And bam! Thin-inch shears. These are, what are these? 5.5 inch. Thin-inch shears. So as you can see, the teeth there, they're not spread apart too much. Haven't used these yet. Looking forward to using these to see how these are. Like as I told you, I have a pair of Sandia thin-inch shears, and I also have another pair of thin-inch shears that I bought before I actually went into Barber College. Well, the regular Barber College, not the Barber Instructor program. But they seem nice. You know, again, purple grommets here, just like the 7 inches. Very dope. I'm excited for those. Also, made in China. It's kind of weird because the name looks Japanese, but they're not made in Japan. They're made in China. All right, see these things. Andis Masters. Boy, what a classic. Before I open these and show you the clippers, I must let you guys know, you guys are doing a fantastic job. You guys, I can tell, you guys really want those pair of free Andis Masters. This month's giveaway is a pair of Andis Masters. If you have not seen the shave gel review video, I will leave a link to that video in the description below. If the video gets 100 likes by the end of January, I'll be giving away a pair of Andis Masters. You guys are gonna make it, so it looks like I will be giving away a pair of Andis Masters. We're on pace. The month is almost over, but I do have faith in you guys. I think you guys can do it. Like I said, if the video gets 200 likes, I'll throw in a bunch of extra barbering goodies. So could you guys pull it off? I don't think you will, but I do think someone will be getting those pair of Andis Masters. So let's open these. And by the way, I'm doing giveaways every month this year, so stay tuned. And also details to the giveaway is in that video. Like I said, link will be in the description. Of course, this is the typical Andis user care guide that no one reads. And voila, the clippers themselves. Ooh, what a thing of beauty these things are. I love the Andis Master. When I got my pair of cordless clippers, I kind of put my Andis Masters in the closet. So I haven't used my Masters in a while. I have a few pair actually, but these things are really, really nice. I don't have any that are like this, the pure metal or chrome look or polished or whatever you want to call this look. I don't have any that are these. I have the black labels, and then I have the Sally special editions that have the black plate here. But these are very nice. And lastly, to finish off this kit, the Andis Gtx. These are my actual favorite trimmers, the Andis Gtx. I have a few pair of Andis regular T-outliners. I have a pair, well, I have 2 pair of blackouts, and I have another pair of GTX with the gold blades on them. You know, I blew the brains out of those. So, but I will say, the Andis Gtx with the deep tooth blade, and that's my thing. That I love that deep tooth blade. It's just like with the Slimline Pro LIs. I love them because they have that deep tooth blade on it. I just don't know what it is. It's just something about me and that deep tooth blade. But guards for the GTXs. I got guards with my Slimline Pro LIs. I'm not sure if I ever got guards with my old GTX, but got guards in case you guys want to trim your beards and stuff like that. Clipper oil, of course, and I'm curious. Okay, here's the thing. I'm curious. Before I look at this, I haven't unboxed these. This is real unboxing. So I'm curious if these are actually zero gap, because I'm not sure if you guys ever pay attention to these boxes when you get the boxes for the trimmers, Andis trimmers especially. It says on the box, clippers may come zero gap. I wonder if this actually says it on here. I'm curious if this actually says it, because I've seen it on a few boxes. Ah, there it is. Okay, so look at this right here. Hope you guys can read this. It says Comfort Edge Deep Tooth Carbon Steel Blade, zero blah 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 blah, included, may be zero gap. Do you guys see that? It says may be zero gap. Now, I've never run across a pair that I've got personally that have been zero gap, but let's see if this pair is actually zero gap. Ooh, nah, still never ran across a pair that's zero gap. As you can see here, hope you guys can see that. Not quite zero gap. There's still that little snag. I can pull this across and snags, there. So not zero gapped, unfortunate, but very easy to zero gap. I love these clippers. Oh my, these feel so good. And the thing is, I like the blackouts, but it's something about this texture of the plastic that I like much more than the blackouts. The blackouts seem to be a little bit more slippery than these. These, I like the grip of these and the way they feel. I just love these things. I'm so happy to have these things again. In their natural form too, unaltered, unadulterated, very pure, innocent, pure like the driven snow. So very great. I'm happy for these. I can't wait to taint these clippers. I can't wait to do something that you're not supposed to do. You know, of course, voiding the warranty, like all barbers. We all do that, right? As soon as we get our clippers, we void the warranty. So it'll be very fun to just void the warranty. That is the kit. Let me know what you guys think of my kit in the comments below. Now, let's remember, every barber college is different. This is a Barber Instructor kit. This isn't a regular student barber kit that you get for your Class A barber's license. Mind you, every barber student kit can be vastly different. Some barber colleges don't even give you a kit. Some barber colleges give you the full kit, meaning you get mannequins, you know, the mannequin stand, all that stuff, capes. I didn't get a cape, as you saw, but they're all vastly different. This is a Barber Instructor kit. So I'm really excited about the contents in here. I mean, a lot of the things are familiar, but some of the things are unfamiliar, and I'm very curious to get my hands on them and play with them. I've played with the blade a little bit, did a little shave. I like the way it feels. You don't have to apply any weight, especially with those feather blades. They're really, really sharp. I mean, extremely sharp when you're using feather blades, very extremely sharp. With the weight of that handle, it just takes it off like butter, especially if you do the hot towel, pre-shave oil, you know, you put the, you know, if you use hot lather or whether you use shave gel, it comes off like butter. It's not even funny. But let me know what you guys think of my kit in the comments below. Browse the channel if you had not done so. I have great barbering content out here. And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Do not forget to try and get in on that Andis Masters giveaway for this month. I will be announcing the winner in the 3rd episode of the vlog. So if you guys haven't watched my vlog series, I will be announcing the winner in the 3rd episode of the vlog, and shortly after that, I will be letting you know what February's giveaway will be, so stay tuned. I'm gonna get out of here. It's your man, I Do a Barber, signing out. I will holla.